Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your speed units from kilometers per hour to miles per hour on Waze. Whether you're traveling to a country that uses miles instead of kilometers, or you simply prefer seeing your speed in miles, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, even if you've never adjusted these settings before. First, open your Waze app and go to the main menu. You'll find this by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Settings. Take a moment to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important options. Next, click on General. This is where most of the main Waze preferences are stored. Inside the General menu, you'll see several options like distance units, voice and sound, and driver preferences. For this tutorial, focus on the distance units option. This is the key to switching between kilometers and miles. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Waze app is updated to the latest version and ensure that your device settings allow Waze to save preferences. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent any potential syncing or display issues. Once you've found distance units, simply tap on it and you'll see a switch between kilometers and miles. If kilometers are currently active, just tap the switch to change it to miles. After that, your speed will now be displayed in miles per hour throughout the app. It's also a good idea to double-check by starting navigation on any route to make sure the unit has updated correctly. This ensures everything works smoothly and gives you peace of mind. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change your speed units from KPH to MPH on Waze quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want to switch their units too. You might just make someone's day a little easier. Don't forget to explore our other tutorials for more practical tips to get the most out of your Waze app.